Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Taj Hassan. I am from Jharkhand and I am currently pursuing my MSc in Applied Mathematics from NIT Warangal. Today we will discuss matrices. Matrices. Okay. So let's from definition of matrix. Definition. Matrix. Okay. So matrix is nothing but is arrangement of some numbers or some numbers or elements in rectangular array is called a matrix. Okay. For example, this is my example of मैट्रिक्स. सो दिस इज एग्जाम्पल ऑफ मैट्रिक्स. ये मैट्रिक्स में क्या है कि ये एलिमेंट्स जो है वो दो टाइप से अरेंज है. सो फर्स्ट दिस अरेंजमेंट इज दो टाइप से अरेंजमेंट. दिस इज हॉरिजेंटली अरेंजमेंट. हॉरिजेंटली. और दिस अरेंजमेंट इज वर्टिकली अरेंजमेंट. Vertically. This arrangement is horizontally. This arrangement is vertically. और horizontally arrangement is called as row. So this is row. इसको row बोलेंगे. Row. And vertically arrangement is called as column. इसको column बोलेंगे. And row is denoted by Ri and column is denoted by Cj. So this is Ri and this is Cj. Where I or j from 1 to 3 and so on. Where 1, 2, 3 and so on. So this is, so in this matrix how many rows and how many columns? This is R1, this is R2, and this is C1 and this is C2. So how many rows? 2 rows and 2 columns. So now see this matrix. Any elements can be written as in the form of Aij. Where? So this element can be written as in the form of Aij and these elements also can be written as in the form of Aij. इसको भी Aij के फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं. इसको भी all elements को हम Aij के फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं. So first इसको लिखते हैं. इसको can be written in the form of Aij. So ये एलिमेंट क्या है? ए एलिमेंट कितना रो है? इस एलिमेंट का पोजीशन में कितना रो है? फर्स्ट रो एंड फर्स्ट कॉलम. तो क्या लिखेंगे? A11. और ये एलिमेंट क्या है? ये एलिमेंट इसका रो क्या है? रो नंबर 1 है और कॉलम नंबर क्या है? 2 है. तो इसको हम लिख सकते हैं 1 2. और ये एलिमेंट्स क्या है? ये एलिमेंट्स का क्या पोजीशन है? ये सेकेंड रो है और फर्स्ट कॉलम है. तो क्या लिखेंगे? A21. और इसको क्या लिखेंगे? सेकेंड रो एंड सेकेंड कॉलम. दिस इज 2 2 इज इक्वल टू D. ओके. सो एनी मैट्रिक्स, कोई भी मैट्रिक्स हो, एनी मैट्रिक्स ऑफ एनी एलिमेंट्स कैन बी रिटन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ Aij. हर एक एलिमेंट्स को, हर एक मैट्रिक्स के हर एक एलिमेंट्स को हम Aij के फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं. सो दिस इज. नाउ अब हम डिस्कस करेंगे ऑर्डर ऑफ मैट्रिक्स. ऑर्डर ऑफ मैट्रिक्स किसको कहते हैं? ऑर्डर ऑफ a matrix having m rows or n columns, then m by n is called as order of matrix. So m rows, number of rows m है, ठीक. और n क्या है? नंबर ऑफ कॉलम्स है. नंबर ऑफ कॉलम्स है. m क्या है? नंबर ऑफ रोज है. एंड n क्या है? नंबर ऑफ कॉलम्स है, ठीक. सो देन ऑर्डर ऑफ मैट्रिक्स कितना हो जाएगा? m by n. पढ़े, रीड m by n but write m cross n. This is my order of matrix. Okay, so see this matrix. How many rows and how many columns? Number of rows 2 and number of columns 2. So order of A is equal to 2 cross 2. See another example. This example B. So see, in this matrix, how many rows and how many columns? So this is R1, this is R2, and this is C1, C2, and C3. So number of rows 2 and number of columns 3. So order of B is equal to so first we write row numbers. How many numbers? Row. So 2 rows and 3 columns. So first we write rows, number of rows, and then number of columns. Don't confuse. First write number of rows, then write number of columns. So first number of rows and so this is my order of matrix B. Okay. Now we will discuss types of matrices. So here is this. Types of matrices. Types of matrices. So first one, row matrix. A matrix having only one row is called as row matrix. Uh, Column can be 1, 2, 3, and so on. So matrix having only one row. For example, this is my matrix A1, 1, A1, 2, and A1, n. This is my row matrix. Column can be 1, 2, 3, and so on. So column can be 1, 2, 3, n. Okay. So now and row only one. So in this matrix, how order of A is equal to first row. Write as row. So row is 1 and column can be 1, 2, 3, and so column in this matrix n. So order of A is equal to 1 cross n, 1 by n. Okay. So this is my column matrix. Now second one, this is my row matrix. Second one, column matrix. Column matrix. A matrix having only one column is called as column matrix. Row can be 1, 2, 3, and so on. So only one column. Only one column is called as column matrix. So like this. Example B is equal to 1, 1, 2, 1, and M1. This is my column matrix. Row can be 1, 2, and 3, and so on. So order of B is equal to, so this is my row 1, this is row 2, this is row n. Okay. So how many now rows? So number of rows m and number of columns 1. So first write m, then 1. So order of B is equal to m by 1. Order of B is equal to m by 1. Okay. So now third one, null matrix. Null matrix. Null matrix. A matrix whose all elements are 0 is called as null matrix, and null matrix is also called as zero matrix. All elements are necessarily 0. Called as null matrix, and null matrix is also called as zero matrix. For example, this is my null matrix. This is my null matrix. Now fourth one, square matrix. This is most important matrix. Okay, square matrix. This is most important matrix. So a matrix having number of rows and number of columns are equal, then called as square matrix. Number of rows equal to number of columns, number of rows is equal to number of columns, then called as square matrix. For example, this is my square matrix. This is my square matrix. So in this matrix, how many rows and how many columns? So this is row 1, row 2, row 3 and row n. So this is column 1, column 2, column 3, column n. So how many rows and how many columns? In this matrix, n rows, number of rows n and number of columns n. So this is equal. Number of row and number of columns are equal. So this is called square matrix. Okay. So order of A is equal to n cross. This is my square matrix. Now fifth one, we will discuss fifth one, diagonal matrix. Before discuss diagonal matrix, we will discuss diagonal element. Diagonal element हम किसको बोलेंगे? Diagonal element. An element Aij of a square matrix, an element Aij of a square matrix is called as a diagonal element. Diagonal element if and only if I is equal to 0. So all elements like this is called diagonal element. Diagonal element. Okay. So इसको हम बोलेंगे डायगोनल एलिमेंट. और अब डिस्कस करते हैं डायगोनल मैट्रिक्स. हम डायगोनल मैट्रिक्स उसको बोलते हैं. A matrix of all non-diagonal elements are necessarily 0 is called as diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix. All elements, non-diagonal, all elements are necessarily 0. No. All non-diagonal elements are necessarily 0. Necessarily 0. So for example, this is my matrix. Okay. So this is my A11, A22, A33. This is my matrix. 3 cross 3 matrix.